Okay, so on this lot, we're looking at utilities, just a quick glance, is it there? So a couple things that stick out. Bam, fire hydrant right on the corner. Okay, so there's got to be water. And then, if you look, there's a fiber optic, cable fiber optic, and then there's, so there's definitely some utilities here. Good sign. You got power lines running overhead. Not necessarily a utility type of thing, but another thing to look at is sidewalks. So there's sidewalks. That's a good sign. If you look right here, coming out of the ground, that orange pipe, that's part of I'm assuming, and it looks like that's part of that fiber optic thing there. So something to look at there. And then the road, man, you can just see like traffic counts is just pretty nice. A lot of people driving by. So as a commercial piece of property, that's a promising sign. Residential, I may not want to be on the busiest street in town or a high traffic area, but for a commercial type of use, definitely a positive. You can see all along here there's some sort of dirt work going on. I think it's from one of the utility companies, because I see these little flags along here too. So and then, like I said, you got light poles, power poles and stuff there. So those are all signs of utilities and city or county or some sort of government improvement type infrastructure around the lot. So all good stuff. See if I can get it, but with curbs, these are handicap compliant, like a wheelchair or something like that. So there it is. So it doesn't look like much to if you're just glancing at it, but I'm seeing water lines, seeing good signs. So there's water, there's probably some sort of sewer drain lines and stuff too. So good little lot here. Water line, another water. You see the arrows, that's probably the direction of the pipes, so it's going pretty much every which way. Then you come back over here to this one, another one, got the fire hydrant there, so fiber optic lines of some sort of drainage, manhole cover. It's got the ditch cut out, so if you got heavy rains. Curb streets on one side. Like I said, it's got the handicap ADA type of curb cuts, so that's a positive sign. But you can see that stops right there. So anyway, a few things to look at, and definitely trees again. So there it is.